Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Soediro. I am from undergraduate students of Bachelor of Accounting. I am from class C in 2025. My NIM 170-662-5156. In this occasion, I'm gonna talk about business analysis of Microsoft Corporation from my final exam with the English business. So why I'm choosing Microsoft? Because I think a lot of people using Microsoft daily. Microsoft is used when we gonna write anything that is Microsoft Word. We're gonna present anything that is used by Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's why I'm using Microsoft for my analysis. And also Microsoft is one of the largest company that I think is highly recommended to I'm going to analyze. So the first one we talk about the company overview. So Microsoft Corporation is one of the world's leading technology companies and publicly listed multinational corporation. The company was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen with the initial objective of developing software for personal computer. Microsoft operates primarily within the global technology and software industry with a strong presence in cloud computing, productivity software, and digital services. The company business activities are generally divided into three major segments. First is productivity and business process, intelligent cloud, and more personal computing. So next we're gonna talk about the key financial analysis. So before we talk about, I have the income statement. So this is the annual report from Microsoft website. I take that, and I take from this analysis is 2024 fiscal year, and we see that the revenue from 2022, 2023, and 2024 is highly increasing from 198 million increasing to 211 million, and then finally in 2024, $245 million. So Microsoft is increasing in their revenue. And also, we can see the net income from 2022, 2023, and 2024 also increasing from 72 million to 88 million. So that's a strong revenue, strong net income over the years, for the past years. So Microsoft demonstrates strong financial performance supported by consistent revenue growth, high profitability, and solid cash flow. The company's strong liquidity allows it to finance innovation, cloud infrastructure, and artificial intelligence investment while maintaining financial stability. Next, the market analysis. Microsoft operates in an oligopolistic technology market, particularly in cloud computing and enterprise software. Despite intense competition from major global firms such as Amazon, Google, Microsoft remains competitive through platform integration, scale, and continuous innovation. So we talk about the cloud computing. What exactly the cloud computing is? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers. You can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and database on on an on an as needed basis from cloud providers. So, for example, Microsoft have the cloud computing called Microsoft Azure or Microsoft 365. Regulation issue: Microsoft faces regulatory challenges related to antitrust scrutiny, data privacy, and cybersecurity regulation across multiple jurisdictions. As regulatory requirements continue to evolve, these challenges may affect the company's business, operation, and strategic flexibility. To address this issue, Microsoft should strengthen regulatory compliance frameworks, enhance data protection and cybersecurity measures to maintain proactive engagement with regulator to ensure compliance with while supporting innovation. Taxation issue, Microsoft faces taxation challenge due to its global operation and varying tax regulation across countries. Changes in corporate tax policies, transfer pricing rules, and international tax standards may impact the company's effective tax rate and overall financial performance. So to manage this challenge, Microsoft should continue implementing effective global tax planning strategies, enhance transparency in tax reporting, and closely monitor regulatory changes to minimize financial risk and ensure compliance. CSR issue. Microsoft faces several CSR-related challenges, particularly in managing the environmental impact of large-scale data center, ensuring the ethical use of artificial intelligence, and maintaining data privacy and security. So to respond to these challenges, Microsoft should continue expanding the use of renewable energy, strengthen responsible AI governance, and invest in digital inclusion and workforce development programs to support sustainable and inclusive growth. So for the conclusion, overall, Microsoft Corporation demonstrates a strong and resilient business performance supported by diversified revenue stream, solid financial fundamentals, and well-defined long-term strategy. The company's financial statement reflect sustained profitability, strong liquidity, and robust operating cash flow, enabling Microsoft to finance growth initiatives while maintaining financial stability. Strategic recommendation. Okay, so to sustain long-term growth, Microsoft should continue expanding its cloud and artificial intelligence capabilities while carefully managing capital expenditures and infrastructure investment to maintain profitability. Strengthening cybersecurity and data privacy measures is also essential to address increasing regulatory requirements and stakeholder expectations. So, thank you for listening my presentation. Thank you, Pak Surya, for allowing me to presenting my presentation. And I think that's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.